Chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem, problem set 2, example number 15. In a trapezium ABCD, segment AB parallel segment DC, segment BD perpendicular segment AD, segment AC perpendicular segment BC. If AD is equal to 15, BC is equal to 15 and AB is equal to 25, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. In this figure we have given trapeziums ABCD. DC is parallel to AB. AD is given 15. BC is also given 15 and AB given 25. Then we have to find area of this trapezium. In right angle triangle ADB, here is highlight this triangle. In this triangle, angle ADB is 90 degree. Segment D is perpendicular to the segment AB. Hence, by geometric mean, we can write here DE square is equal to AE into BE. But B is nothing but AB minus AE. Hence, we have write here AD square is equal to AE into AB minus AE. The reason is geometric mean. But we have given AB is 25. Hence, second step, DE square is equal to AE into bracket 25 minus AE. Then DE square is equal to AE into 25, that is 25 AE. AE into AE, that is AE square minus AE square. Hence, here is a step, DE square is equal to 25 AE minus AE square. This is our equation first. In right angle triangle ADE, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square. Hence, AD square is equal to, substitute the value of D square from equation first, that is 25 AE minus AE square, and last one AE square as it is from equation first. Substitute the value. AD is 15 square is equal to 25 AE. 15 square is equal to 225 is equal to 25 AE, and that is AE is equal to 9. Thus we find AE is equal to 9. In right angled triangle DEA and triangle CFB, segment DE and segment CF is perpendicular to the segment AB. Segment AD congruent to the segment BC, that is our given segment DE is congruent to the segment CEF because CD is parallel to the AB. Hence, triangle DEA congruent to the triangle CFB. The reason hypotenuse side test. If the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are congruent. Hence, segment AE is congruent to the segment FB. If AE is equal to FB, but we have find that AE is equal to 9, hence FB is equal to also 9. From equation first, D square is equal to AE into AB minus AE. Substituting the value AE and AB, we get D square is equal to 9 into bracket 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, that is 16. Hence, D square is equal to 9 into 16. Taking the square root of both sides, we get D is equal to 3 into 4, that is D is equal to 12. But in figure, AB is equal to AE plus EF plus FB. Substituting the value, AB is equal to 25, A is 9. We have to find out the value of EF and substitute the value of FB, 9. Hence, 25 is equal to 9 plus EF plus 9. Then we get EF is equal to 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. Hence, EF is equal to 7. In quadrilateral CDEF, DC is equal to EF because they are the opposite side of this quadrilateral. DC is equal to EF and EF we have find that 7. Hence DC is equal to 7. Area of trapezium is equal to formula 1 upon 2 into CD plus AB, parallel line, addition of parallel line into height, that is DE. 1 upon 2 into bracket 7 plus 25 into 12, that is 1/2 into 32 into 12. 32 upon 2, that is 16 into 12. Hence 16 into 12 is equal to 192. The area of trapezium is 192. Hence we have right here our answer. Area of trapezium is 192. Example number 16 star. Example, in the figure, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Point S is on segment QR such that QS is equal to 1 upon 3 QR. Prove that 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Triangle PQR is a quadrilateral triangle. Hence PQ is equal to PR is equal to QR. In this triangle, segment PT is perpendicular to the segment QR in point T, and point S is such that QS is equal to 1/3 of QR. In triangle PTR, angle PRT is equal to 60 degree. That is our given. Segment PT is perpendicular to the segment TR. Hence, angle TPR is equal to 30 degree. In triangle PTR, PT is equal to under root 3 upon 2 PR, because this side is opposite to the 60 degree angle. PT is equal to under root 3 upon 2. PR is equal to QR is equal to PQ, because the side of quadrilateral. Hence, instead of PR, we have right here QR. And QT is equal to 1/2 of hypotenuse QR, because the opposite side of the 30 degree. QT is equal to QS plus ST. Hence, ST is equal to QT minus QS. Hence, ST is equal to QT is 1/2 of QR. Hence, QR upon 2. And QS we have given that QR upon 3. By simplification, we get ST is equal to QR upon 6. In triangle PTS, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. PS square is equal to PT square plus ST we have find here QR upon 6 bracket square. PS square is equal to, into bracket, instead of PT we substitute the value under root 3 QR upon 2 bracket square plus QR square upon 36. Hence, PS square is equal to 3 QR square upon 4 under root 3 square, that is 3, 2 square, that is 4, and QR square upon 36. By simplification, 4 into 9, denominator are equal, 9 into 3, 27 QR square plus QR square is equal to 28 QR square upon 36. Common factor, therefore that will be cancelled. Hence, PS square is equal to 7 QR square upon 9. 9 here is a denominator. It will be transferred to the left hand side. Hence, 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. Thus, we have proved that 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square.